So we open up our project and it can happen that you are in a different page. So at the moment it opened up in the cut page and you see also this really annoying line from my PC. This is already the first trick that you want to do because you want to have a full screen of Davinci Resolve. So how to do that? Go to Workspace and then you're gonna hit Full Screen Window. Boom. And now let's break down each page of Davinci Resolve. Down here you can find all different pages of Davinci Resolve. Every single page has a function. How to navigate through each page simply by clicking on it. So let's go to the media page, and the purpose of the media page is where you import and organize all your media assets before you start to edit. Then we go to the cut page. The purpose of the cut page in Davinci Resolve is designed for a fast and efficient editing workflow. Then we go to the editing page, and the editing page purpose is basically it's where all the magic of video editing happens. It's where you arrange and cut your clips to create your final story. Then we go to the Fusion page, and the purpose of the Fusion page is where you can add an advanced visual effects and motion graphics to your video project. Now we go to the color page, and the purpose of the color page is where you can correct and enhance the colors in your video, giving it a polished and cinematic look. Pretty cool. Now we go to the Fairlight page, and the Fairlight page purpose is dedicated to audio post-production. And the last page is the delivery page, and the purpose of the delivery page is where you export your final project into a format that can be shared to YouTube, to your client, Vimeo, like every social media platform that you can imagine.